So what's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a little review on the micro Draco. Since I'm off work today, I ain't got shit else to do. So this is the micro Draco. As you can see, I did do a little mods. Of course, I'm not finished because I need to change this cracked hand guard out. But I didn't do too much. I just did the 60 round magazine by Smizer. I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't kill me in the comments. It is clear. Second thing I did was I couldn't do that Russian grip. The little small black grip, I couldn't do it. I had to order the whole grips, the rubber. I think it was about like $30 or $25, something like that. 30 something after shipping. Next thing I do want to do is put I don't know if I want to go with the SLR or the Texas supply shooter hand guard. I like both of them, but I really like the SLR because of the sleek. It's a slick black finish, and it's aluminum. But both of them is aluminum. But the other one, the Texas supply shooter, got the quad rail on it, so that would be better for attachments. For this one, I think I might just do the SLR and put like a little hand guard. I mean a grip on it. And I do want to put the this one, micro Draco comics. This is a stock dust cover. I do want to order that the one with the rail on it, because these sights gotta go. I gotta put an optic cover. I cannot, if you can aim, I'm not saying you can't. It's a lot of people that can't aim. It's a lot of people, a shitload of people that can't. So if you can aim with this, good for you. Me personally, I can't. So, I gotta get that fixed if I want to be shooting this. But this is the micro Draco. Where I'm from, it's about $8.99 here. After taxes, about $9 something. This did not, my muzzle brake did not come with this. It had a, I don't even know what brand it was, but this did not come with it. This came off my full-size Draco. Yeah, this one came off my full-size Draco. As you can see, the wood is cracked. These are really good for cracking. I had to put some screws in to hold it for the time being. I did burn it myself. A lot of people thought it was a Sharpie. Nah, I really burnt this. Might as well, it's already broken. And a lot of people ask me, why don't I just replace it with another stock? I'm not comfortable with paying $200 for another one of these and to do the exact same thing. So I might as well just get, the SLR hand guard or the quad rail. Both of them is aluminum, so you ain't gotta worry about it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick breakdown before I end this video. It is still clear. Sometimes these things be for Sometimes these things be tricky for real though. It's simple as hell to break it down though. Oh shit. Easy as hell. And I would take this off, but I don't feel like taking this off. Put this back together, make sure this sits just like this. Nothing different. Put motherfucker. Put this in the back like this. See, that's why I said make sure that it sits like that. Alright, make sure it sits just like this. You're gonna sit this in the back. Drop it in there. Then make sure it's flush on both sides. Slide it forward like that. Then you're gonna take this plastic piece. These only come with the micro Draco. Put that back there. You're gonna take this spring, put it in this top hole right here. Like so. This gonna sit behind the plastic piece, not in front of it, behind it. You wanna take this like this, push the spring down, put it in the grooves behind, in the very back, like that. And that's that. And then you just put your dust cover back on. These can be tricky sometimes, but the easiest way to do it, line this part right up, right in the middle, and push it all the way forward. Before you push the back down, you're gonna push it down on this metal piece right there. That's the easiest way to do it.